Here's how to improve your iPad's battery life. So first, disable the background app refresh. Go to your settings and then go to general. Then after go to background app refresh. So go ahead and turn this toggle off of background app refresh, and this feature updates app in the background which drains battery. Disabling it can save a significant amount of power. And after that, do not use your iPad while it's charging, especially for demanding tasks like gaming. This can negatively impact the iPad's battery lifespan. And another thing you can do is you can go to settings, then go to battery, and here turn on the low power mode. This reduces background activity and optimizes performance to extend battery life. You can also switch to dark mode in settings. So go to display and brightness. Here select dark mode, and this mode uses less energy than light mode, and it emits less light from the screen, saving battery and reducing eye strain. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.